Have you ever wanted to make your Elementor website multilingual but weren't sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add a working language switcher in Elementor for 2025 using the Translate Press plugin. No coding, no confusion, just clean results. Let's begin. First, make sure the Translate Press plugin is installed and activated on your WordPress site. Once that's done, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click Settings, and then choose Translate Press. This is where all your multilingual setup happens. You'll notice a section to add new languages. Open the dropdown and pick any additional languages you want to offer. Then click Add. You can repeat this step for as many languages as you'd like. These will be the options your visitors can toggle between, so choose the ones that best suit your audience. Next, scroll down to the floating language selection area. This is where you customize how your language switcher appears visually. You can adjust its layout, position, and design style to match your brand's overall look. Take a moment to personalize this. It makes a big difference in maintaining a professional feel. Once you're satisfied with your design, scroll down and click Save Changes to apply everything. Now, let's integrate the switcher into your Elementor page. Go back to your dashboard and open Pages. Select the page where you want your switcher to appear, then click Edit with the Elementor. Inside the Elementor editor, find the shortcode widget in the left-hand panel. Drag and drop it onto the exact spot where you want your switcher to be displayed. In the shortcode field, type Language Switcher. The moment you do, Elementor will automatically insert the functional language switcher right into your page. Click Update or Publish and then preview your site on the front end. You'll now see the switcher live, ready for the visitors to seamlessly toggle between your chosen languages. And that's it. You've just added a clean professional language switcher to your Elementor site for 2025. It's fast, flexible, and helps your website reach a global audience with ease. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and useful Elementor tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.